And now I'm quickly gonna do something stupid. My gloves. I'm back.
Take it up there in front as much as you can. Get up in there and spread it. That way it won't
Alright.
push the other.
Man, where's the pizza at? I'm hungry. You just need a couple shovelfuls. We're starting to see signs of steam. It's been about 20 minutes since we started firing up. Oh, needle's lifted. That means we are showing signs of steam in the boiler, which can be seen up here and down here. So now it's not just the snifter valves leaking. Cylinder cocks have steam coming out, and so does the safety valve, ever so slightly. Which means also, if we open up our water glass drain, got some steam coming out. That's kind of nasty. It is much easier to fire with kerosene now than it is with wood and newspaper. Man, you can hear the cracking now. That is exactly what you want. That nice orange glow with everything. Alrighty, we've hit 60 pounds. We are now about halfway to blow off. Blow off is when the safety valve pops off and all the steam comes rushing out, just so you can avoid an explosion. This boiler's rated for 200, but the safety valve pops at 120 and the operating pressure is around 110, 115. The trick is to be able to use that steam so efficiently that you're in the operating pressure of 110 to 115 without going over and popping off, because then you're wasting the steam you just made. You want to keep your fire just hot enough, and you want to keep the water just cool enough to get the right production of steam for the work you are doing at that moment, whether it's climbing a hill or coasting. So, if I'm climbing a hill and I'm using all my power and that fire is very, very, very hot, and I'm producing a lot of steam to keep up with that, and I'm not popping the safety valve, but all of a sudden I come over the top and then I'm coasting down a long flat straight, that advanced production of the steam will all of a sudden surge when the engine's not working as hard and using that steam, causing it to pop off. So if I come up to the top of the hill, I'll have to turn on the water and cool down the water inside the boiler. And what I mean by turning on the water is by using these things here, the injectors, to suck water out of the tender and into the boiler, so that it's cold water in the tender, hot water in the boiler. When you add the cold water to the hot water, it cools it down and stops the production of steam, or at least slows it. And now at 80 pounds of pressure, we have cooled the shop air, and we are now using the steam blower that creates a draft which pulls the air through the firebox and out through the smoke box. Now that the shop air is off, and we've added about 4 scoops of coal, pressure's dropped down about 5 pounds, but we'll begin building back up in a second. Ooh, 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 midnight flyer. And he was working with the midnight flyer. Paid my dues and I feel like traveling home. Man, no snack time today. Anyway, we've hit 100 pounds now. And I think it's time for a little bit more coal before we pop off at 120. That's interesting. Filled with water, blow her down. Okay.
Grab that shovel, put it on here, I'll put that on the plate. Alright, we'll push it off and you pull her around.
Gotcha.
Hook your ring up. Wait, I got somebody else on the track.
Yeah. Can I ask a favor? Can we get a bucket of coal, please? Thank you. Coal? Yes, thank you. More?
Yeah. Until it gets down to 100.
All right.
Well, we want to go one round. All right. There we go. Good. I think we're all set. All right, we'll go one round.
Gotcha. Back in the saddle. And I'm already 90 degrees and I'm sweating like crazy in this hot thing. Watch for stuff on the track. Got it. Got it. Weird bump there. Weird bump. What? I am making the perfect rate of steam to keep it at 105 the entire way around. Now I would like it to be a bit higher, but it looks like it's still climbing. Alright, about 105 the whole way around. Alrighty, so we've got our handy dandy checklist here, and we're going to follow it exactly. So number 1, I have walked the engine onto the turntable and I have set the parking brake. Number 2, I put the ammo crate / axe box or ash box. Close the draft, I did that, and open the cylinder cocks, done. And now it's time for the injector. Thank you. Alright. Step 5, raise water level until ejector stops. Hey, Mr. Jeff. Start pulling fire immediately. Alrighty. I can start on that, I guess.
Don't make the pile too big though, because it'll heat up the glasses and we don't want to do that. So pull it, shovel it. I can pull it out if you want.
I got it.
You want gloves? It's going to get hot.
I got gloves.
You found out on that earlier.
What?
Yeah, I was going to say you found out on that earlier.
Yeah.
I think good.
Yep, ammo crate.
Oh, an ammo crate.
Solid metal box, right?
I think you had to do that every morning back in the day. Get
They
up.
used to shake it though, didn't they?
Probably did. They had a much bigger firebox and a lot more coke.
Doesn't want to work.
Yep, keep pulling her.
Yep.
Did they ever get the other one rebuilt, the throttle?
No, I think
No, the throttle's rebuilt. It's just
they
got some teething issues, I think.